Honestly, one reason I love forex trading is because of the way it is designed. Forex trading is one business that you do not need anybody to succeed in. If you have the right knowledge and a good capital, you can be able to make money wherever you are. Unlike other business that you would have to sell something to someone before you make money. But the honest truth about trading is that if you do not have a good capital to sponsor your trading, honestly, you won't be able to make money from it. As a trader, knowing how to trade, getting the skill, becoming profitable is one thing, and getting good capital to trade is another thing. Although there are some few ways to get capital. Either you get from an investor. This investor can be either your parent, someone you know, or someone that have seen your trading results, your consistency, or through a proprietary firm. Now, if you are getting capital through an investor, that's a different thing entirely. It takes a different level of skill. First off, you have to prove yourself. You have to have a portfolio of a trackable record, a consistency record that yes, you're a profitable trader. Well, all I know about getting an investor, it takes a different level of skill. You have to be able to pitch yourself to these guys to give you money to trade. It could be your family member, it could be someone you know, it could be someone you know that knows someone that has money, something like that. Apart from getting an investor, one other ways of funding your trading is through proprietary firm. And this is the part that a lot of traders have choose because it is the easiest way to get funded. It's easier than getting an investor, but nothing comes easy, my friend. The honest truth is that if you are going through this part, you will have to prove yourself to these people that yes, you can trade before they give you their money to trade. Now, you must understand that these proprietary firms actually do charge you money for you to go through their test. So if you fail the test, your money is gone. Now, this proprietary firm can cost up to $100, $500, $400, $1,000, depending on the account size you wish to trade. A lot of persons have made money through this means, and a lot of persons have also lose money through this means. And you see, my friend, that is the part I am currently in now. I am trading a proprietary firm account of over $50,000. Yes, I might not look like it, but I'm actually trading a proprietary firm of over $50,000. Listen, $50,000 is a lot of money, but it doesn't mean I'm actually trading $50,000. It is kind of a stimulated account, and I am still in the evaluation phase of this account. And this is what I do on this series of my YouTube channel. I show you the whole process of me trading my proprietary firm account with FTMO, my experience, and everything I face along the way. Shout out to the 1,750 persons that have been a supporter of this channel since day one. God bless you all. So for this $50,000 FTMO account, what has been the updates? What have I made so far? What have been the progress I've made so far? What have been the correction, the mistakes? Have I blown the account? Have I passed the account? What is really going on? A lot of you are asking. I'll be showing you everything on this YouTube video. I am literally documenting my entire week, my entire trading week on one YouTube video. So please like this video, drop your comments. What do you think? Are you trading a proprietary firm account? Let's do this together. We still have 5 months to go. We are going to pass it. We are going to make money from it. We are going to withdraw from it. All right, what's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Quickly, this is USDJPY, and I am back on the chart. All right, so for those of you that are new here, my name is Trader Chris, and what I do on this channel is simple, right? I document my journey being a forex trader in a third world country like Nigeria, and also I trade an FTMO account, and I am on the process of getting funded. So I got the FTMO account as at early this year, around March, and I have been trading the account since then. And the account size is probably on my screen about $50,000. I've been up in profit, down in drawdown, and then probably like I should be around break even or so currently. Now, so why haven't I been posting videos ever since? What has been happening in my trading life? What has been taking place? Like, I've been busy, right? That's why I haven't been posting videos. I will be busy with a lot of things, with business and a lot of things, right? And now, listing traders, the goal is not just to become funded as a trader. It's not just to get that first payout, right? That might probably be your goal. That's still my goal, right? My goal is to have a repeatable system, and for the next few months, I am going to be documenting all my trades online on this YouTube channel, right? I'm going to be showing you guys the up and down about trading. Like me, I'm a very realistic person, right? I don't tell you that, oh, I do this when I don't do that, right? I tell you, okay, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing. So if you are new, you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I will show you the realistic side of trading, right? I don't have Lambo or mansion to show you, but I have the chart to show you, right? Everything you need to understand about the chart, I'll drop it on this channel. All right, so quickly guys, I don't want to waste much of your time. I will see you tomorrow and I will update you about my challenge. Bye for now. All right, so good morning guys. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and everywhere is kind of dark right now. So guys, and it's Tuesday, I'll be updating you guys about my trades. All right, listen, one thing about my trading is the fact that I know that I am a profitable trader, but why is it so difficult for me to pass this proprietary firm account? Why is it so hard for me to pass? I'm a swing trader, by the way, and I've been trading like this for over the past 4 years. The same system, the same strategy, only that I just improved some things over the period of time. Guys, honestly, I have noticed one thing about proprietary firm. If you truly want to make money with it, you can't be trading it like the way you trade your normal live account. In terms of risk and every other trade you take, you can use your strategy, but your risk management strategy has to be different. Now, there's something called the offense and defense strategy method that I'll be saying in this my video. I'll be showing you what I'm going to be adding next to my trading, so make sure you keep watching. All right, what is good guys, what is good YouTube? It is Tuesday, and quickly let me update you guys about the FTMO, what I've been able to achieve so far with the FTMO. Have I passed it? Have I blown the account? Why haven't I posted video about the FTMO account ever since? I'll show you guys. Now, as you can see, this is the FTMO account. This is like the account, and you can see the balance. It is back to $50,000, $50,005, right? Meaning I'm currently at break even. What has been happening since on this account? Why haven't I passed the account? Why haven't I blown the account? And all that you guys are wondering. So let me quickly take you guys through the start of this FTMO account and see everything about the account, how it has been going. All right, now first off, let me go to metrics, so you see how the account has been going, right? So first off, when did I get this particular account? I got it March, right? I got it March 19 or March 18, around my birth date. That's when I got the account. And then let me see. Okay, it is showing here. That's when I started the account. March. Sorry, look at it here. March 19. And which type of account is this? This is a swing account, $50,000. Now, I've been up on this account before, up to like about $1,600 or so, like almost 4%. I'll be how many percent is that? So if you check the stats that are here, you can see everything. Do you understand? The total trade I've placed, the win rate. Now for the win rate, you can ignore this because it changes. Do you understand? My average profit and my average loss. Do you understand? So let me quickly take you through all the profit and loss I've gotten so far. So if you can see, I was in a losing streak for some time. Do you understand? And I haven't placed like trade for some time. That is why I haven't passed or I haven't blown the account. Do you get? So let me take you through all the trades and everything, take you through my data and all that. So first off, the first trade I placed on this account was March 19. That's when I placed the first trade, and it was a losing trade. And the second trade I placed was 10th of April. You might be asking, why does it take this long for you to like place trade, right? I'm a swing trader and I wait a lot to before taking a trade. Do you understand? And now note that if you check, I was in a losing streak if I'm to go. So I've taken about how many losses now and how many. I know sure I've taken about 3 take profits. This one that take profits. And if you check here, you see this one where you see $200, $200. This is for GBP card, and it was like one trade. Do you understand? But multiple position. Do you get? So the next one was USD JPY and Euro USD. These both of them were losses. Do you get? So the next one was about $700 profit. And if you check, if you notice something, right, my profits are always higher than my losses. Do you get? But in terms of like majority, the losses are like more. And I'll tell you why. This one I just placed it. FTMO sent me something. I'll put it somewhere on the screen that if I don't place trade within the next few days, the account will be breached, because May was like a losing month for me, right? May was like a losing month for me. And okay, now quickly, let me update you guys on that account. I officially started trading this account around April. April was a very okay month, was a good month. I made money for April, right? Now, for those of you who don't know what was this, or you are new to this channel, this is an FTMO account, it's a proprietary firm account. They give you money to trade for them. You trade for them, you guys split the profit. I am still on the challenge phase. This is
the phase one. It is called evaluation, and this is the phase one. So back to what I was saying. So I got this account around March 19, as you can see on the screen. I got the account March 19, and the first trade I placed was around still that March 19 or so. Can't remember. Okay, March 24. That was the first trade I placed. Right, that's the ending of March. It was a loss, and from April I started to like just lock in and started placing trade. So April and May, I made profit of about 4%. I was up 4%. Then for May, everything was gone. That's all the 4%, right? So because of that losing streak I had, June, I didn't really take June seriously, but I also took a winning trade. I was up about that was about 1%, 2%, 1.87% or so. I can't remember. So I was up for June, right? So I made money April, lost May, I made money June, and then July was a terrible month. I didn't trade July, right? That's why I said it was a terrible month. Took just one trade and it was a loss. Now this is August. And listen, for those of you that are not trading proprietary firm account, I want to just let you guys know. Listen, I've seen a lot of people that this proprietary firm account has changed their life, especially for people that are from Nigeria, right? You know the cost of dollar, making money in dollar, right? So you just imagine as I did when I made $2,000 on this FTM account, and it was a funded account. If I had made withdrawal, nothing less than $1,500 will be going to my bank account. Do you understand? So for when it comes to trading proprietary firm, it is the way forward to fund your trading right now, right? Or the fastest way to fund your trading. Although there are a lot of limitations to it, like this 50K account, I do not want to lose it, and that is why I am trying to like place the account carefully, like trade the account carefully. So over the time, I have been able to like learn a lot of things during the times I wasn't trading the account, because I had to pause trading the account for around July, even that June, because I placed just one trade June, and July just one trade, right? And now for those of you that are new to trading, I would just advise that once you have mastered the art of trading, like myself, right, you could like get a proprietary firm account, like $50,000 proprietary, $10,000. This one cost like around $400, $380 something thereabout. But the total I spent, probably I might put it up here. It was about, I don't want to make this video long. It was about $400, right? $400 at the dot. So $400, $399 thereabout. That is what I spent on this proprietary firm account. And I'm just trying to like, I've learned a lot of things, right? You better subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I know I'm going to be passing this account and I'm going to be making withdrawals, because I have a goal, which is to fund my trading account with about $5,000, and I'm getting that money from this FTM, bro. I'm getting the money. I believe in myself. I believe in my skill. I believe I'm a disciplined person, and I am working towards becoming more disciplined when it comes to trading, right? And for those of you that are like new to trading, I would advise you learn how to trade properly before investing your money into proprietary firm. Very, very important, right? Very, very important. I'm just locked in when it comes to this proprietary firm now, and that's it for the data. As you can see here, it wasn't a very consistent month. So this August, I just want to be very consistent. I have noticed that I don't know if you guys know to retrade. So I watch our videos and I noticed that we are like similar when it comes to our trading style. Not like when it comes to the charts, right? She just use trendline or so. So in terms of numbers of trade and other, we are kind of similar. She plays around 2-3 trades a month. The same for me, right? Although I won't be consistent, so I'm just trying to get to that point of consistently showing up. So I know if I'm consistent, so I know that if I'm consistent in showing up, I'll be able to like place more trade. And it just cut. Oh, sorry, it was my mic that fell. On this stuff cost a fortune, so I don't want it to spoil. So I know if I'm consistent in showing up, I'm going to place more trades. Do you understand? And get more like over time, my system is going to work. My edge is going to play out. Do you understand? And I have understand one thing about proprietary firm. You don't trade proprietary firm like live account. If you go carefully, it will take you a long time to pass it, right? So also when it comes to risk, I risk 1% for now. Yeah, I risk 1% for now, but there's a point it will get to. I'll just start risking 2% so that I would pass the account very fast or quickly. Do you understand? There's what we call the offense and defense of trading. I will explain that in the next clip. See you probably tomorrow. Alright, so what is good, guys? It is Friday. I know I haven't I haven't made any video on Wednesday and Thursday. I said I was going to talk about the offense and defense of trading. That's in terms of risk management now. But quickly, probably I'll see that in my next vlog. But there's a trade I'm looking at on JPY. Let me show you my board first. You guys know I'm a swing trader. This is August, and I'm journaling every single trade on my journal, right? Euro USD sell, GBP USD sell, USD JPY buy, USD CAD buy, CAD JPY buy, and CHF JPY buy. Now,
These directions are like the directions I'm looking at on the long run. That's in terms of swing now. Do you get? I might be wrong, but like these are like the directions I'm looking at. You see this one I put asterisk here, this one I put asterisk here. I might probably be entering these trades today. KJPY probably now. Let me show you. Now this is KJPY and this is what I'm watching. What I just want this market to do for me now is drop a little bit to this down a little bit close to my entry, and then I'll just enter, because if I'm to enter now like this, because like 10 minutes for this candlestick to close, look at it, it's counting, it's 10 minutes for it to close. So if it drop now, if I enter now, it won't be up to 1:2. Like this night, like 1:2, 1.99, that's like still 1:2 sha. So the market is just buying. I feel like the market is still going to drop to the downside, and then I would have like a proper entry. If you check the daily time frame, this is the daily, and it's, let me show you for card. Let me show you for this pair don't buy, it don't break this level. So look at this, the pair I'm looking forward to buy as well. But today is on Friday, it's already Friday. So if you check, it has broken this scatter trend. So if this one I might likely even enter this one. So meaning that probably in the next 10 minutes I'll be entering this particular market here. My stop is somewhere here and I'm targeting somewhere here. This one is almost 1:3, the other one is 1:2. But let's just watch. But these are like good trade I'm watching at. So probably I will enter either one of the two. Do you understand? And for Euro USD that I'm watching sell, this is what is going on Euro USD now. Although you can see this stuff eating stop loss, but I have not entered this trade. I just set it. I was expecting either a sell here or a sell at this trend line, this point here. So it's like it's going to sell here, and it's looking like a form of double top, as you can see here. But I'm not yet on the trade. This one is like next week trade. So next week it will give its direction. Same goes to USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. These are all the pairs I'm watching. USD card as well. I'm watching a lot of all these pairs. If you see them here, USD JPY, probably I might enter two, which is USD JPY and CAD JPY. And how much am I risking? $500 per trade, which is $1,000. That's about 2% of my account. So I'm willing to risk 2%. $500 here, $500 here. Their two is the same direction. So if this one lose, this one is going to lose. So it's just like I'm risking 2% on like two different trades. Hopefully, I just hope they go well. But if it doesn't, I'm fine losing 1,000. So how have this month been so far? How have this week been so far? I'll say okay, that's been fine. I haven't placed any trade. I'm just watching. Mine is just to be watching and then execute once it's time. Like for KJPY now, see the pair is just pushing up. It's about to break in this level, but I feel like it's going to drop down a little bit, and then I'll use the wick of the down a little bit, enter. You see, my entry strategy is easy. When it comes to like analyzing the market, that one is not, it's still easy. I drop videos about analyzing the market. You can go check it on my channel. How I analyze the market, right? How I identify my directions and enter the market. It's on this channel. You can go drop it, check it out. Or if you want to learn, if probably you're a beginner, you want to learn, you can reach out to me for like a one-on-one training, right? That's if you want to. So guys, I'll update you guys about this trade, if I later entered, and what are my outlook on this trade. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Probably the next clip might be around 2. It's almost 10 a.m. now. So probably 2 p.m. I'll update you guys. See you next. Alright, so guys, I just entered the trade for USD JPY, although I'm still waiting for, let me just show you guys. So for the CAD JPY, I'm expecting the market to like either drop, like a weak drop, or enter somewhere here, and then probably it's continue going up, right? So while for the USD JPY, I've entered the trade. How big is it coming? I've entered the trade here. So I'm expecting the market to, although this is a 1:2 or 1:3, anyhow, it's just depending on where I leave the trade, right? If I hold till this point, it's about 1:3, but I'm not sure I'm going to hold to that point. I'm looking for like 1:2, 1:2.5, anyone sure. But it depends on if the market goes well. Do you understand? So this one is already going against me, the USD JPY. So that's what I want what's it called, this pair to do. Let me check the daily. That's what I want this pair to do. CAD JPY, right? Although I'm also watching USD card as well, so I'm just trying to like hold my bullet and watch the market carefully, because I don't place a lot of trade that much. So let me quickly journal the trade. Let's journal the trade together. So I'll come to my journal 2025, come to August. This is my first trade for August, and I'll put the pair. Which pair is that? Which pair? It was USD JPY.
USDJPY date to this. It was around 10. That's when I entered the trade. So DO was on Friday. Direction is a buy. So let me see. Add my before chart. So try to come here. So come here. Hopefully it's a win. Duration 1.2. Alright, so guys, I want to quickly talk about something, right? I want to get something, right? So you guys see the way swing trading is boring, very, very boring, right? Like just this week now, I only placed just one trade, which is that USDJPY. Probably it might have been two because of this pair. What was his name? This pair, JPY. Alright, so as I was saying, I said that just imagine placing just two trades. Do you understand? In the whole week, some of you cannot stay without placing. I've seen some persons that, bro, these guys place like 10, 20 trades in a week, right? If you're trading, if that's your trading style, it's fine, right? You can, it's normal. You understand? Let me even check the trade. It's normal. So this one is just, the trade should just be running. I'm still watching the trade, right? I'm not sure I'll be able to enter that JPY trade again. I'm not sure. This one is still going in profit. I'm not sure I'll be able to enter that JPY trade again. The reason is because that pair just I don't know what's happening, right? There's a news, or there's a reason for this, right? One thing we should also learn to do as traders is that as much as you want to make money, right? Once you enter a trade, even if your technical analysis is telling you buy, after entering the buy and doing your technical check, is there any fundamental reason for this? I've checked I didn't see any news apart from card, and it's 1 p.m. So it's not the news for the high impact news 1 p.m. that's affecting the trade now. Do you understand? So that one, like it can be. So there's a specific something happening. Either there's a news that is not an economic news that is affecting JPY. So because of that, all JPYs are buying. CHF JPY is buying. CAD JPY is buying. Euro JPY is buying. But mainly CAD JPY and USD JPY. You know those pairs are correlated. So just imagine, right? I entered just these two trades. Like in a month, I'm already good. Do you get? Because of the account I'm trading. Let's say it was a funded account. $2,000 a month is it's crazy. Do you understand the way I'm saying it? But to not pass the account, pass both phases is not going to be easy, right? That's why I said I'm going to be introducing you to the offense and defense of trading, right? The whole essence of this offense and defense of trading, for those of you that watched to this point, let me just say it now, is when you increase your risk. That's if you are trying to pass your account now, is when you increase your risk when you are like some percentage up. Do you understand? So let's say you are risking $500 per trade before. Once you are like $2,000 per trade, you increase it to like $1,000 till you get back to like either negative or break even. Then you start with the $500 again. Get it back to like that amount. I'll explain better probably on my Telegram community. Use the link in the description, right, to join the Telegram community. So guys, if there's any update, I'll let you guys know. Probably I'm not sure there will be anyone, but if there's any, I'll let you guys know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.